Assalamu alaikum. Students, we start learn the computer science. So I try a short lesson and explain the history of computers. Okay. We understand the history of computer science. It is amazing. Okay, let's start. Number 1 question is the computer evaluation. Computer evaluation. What is the computer evaluation? Computer is a wonderful machine. It has completely changed the way how we work and get entertained. Okay? Computer is a wonderful machine. It has completely changed the way how we work and get entertained. This machine helps us do many amazing and difficult things which otherwise would have been impossible. It is true, but do you know long it took for computers to get the amazing abilities and power they offer today? In this time, all the world online computer and all the world sharing into the Google and into the many browse. So it is the amazing ability and the power of they offer today. Let us take the journey to look at the evaluation of this wonderful. The period before Christ. Number first point is the period before Christ. In the early age, humans felt the need to know and remember how many things they keep. This led to the idea of counting. These things, in the early age, humans felt the need to know and remember how many things they keep. This led on to the idea of counting these things which they have. In those days, humans used to counting with the help of many things which they have, like stones, bones, and other things. By the way, do you know the simplest method? Simplest method, all the students know simplest method of counting. I remember that when we are students, we also this method use this method of counting use. You can count. Okay, you can count with the help of your fingers. It is a very simplest and very fastest counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in your fingers, tips of your fingers. Okay. Number 2, abacus, first counting device. Cause name of the first counting device. Abacus was the first counting machine invented in China around 2600 BC. Okay, 2600 Christ time, before the Christ time. 2600 before the Christ time. This is the first counting machine invented in China. The simple device is made up of a wonderful wooden frame with the vertical rods. Counting beads. There is a crossbar which divided frame into two parts. Upper part has 2 and lower part has 5 beads. The beads are moved near or away from the crossbar to do calculation. It is the first machine device. Okay, counting device. It is the first counting device machine invented in China around 2600 before Christ time. It is a simple device. We saw all there in our schools, in our study room, kids' study rooms, wooden beads. We count. First counting when we start in students play group or one to in counting 1 2 3. We used this device in the past. That is the first device of counting. Okay, it is a short lesson of history of computer complete here. Subscribe my channel, like and share.